Attention detailers and ceramic coaters. Are you unorganized with all your appointments? Are you tired of messaging people all over the place? Do you forget exactly what you're supposed to be working on that day? If this sounds like you, then this video is for you. Also, stay to the end and I'll have a special bonus for you as well. My name's Dave and I'm one of the founding partners of Ceramic Coating Customers Plus. Do you wish you could spend less time on your bookings and more time on doing what you actually love? Does your current booking system take up a huge chunk of your time, or even worse, you don't have a system at all? Do you still use one of those paper planners or manually enter your appointments into Google Calendar? Well, forget that. Are you tired of not knowing what you're supposed to be working on when you go to work that day? Maybe your planner says Ryan Dodge at 12 noon and you don't know if that's his last name or what you're actually working on that day. And you don't know where the conversation took place. Do you hate having last minute reschedules, no calls, and even worse, no shows? Have you ever had this experience? You're messaging 10 different people on 5 different platforms because you want to be accessible and make it easy for your clients, yet you're trying to get them all booked and you're offering the first available spot to the first person. Then they want it, but then they never really confirm. Then that day later, someone else wants the same spot. Now you have to start all the way over again with that person with new dates just to find a new date that works for you and your clients. I mean, that was confusing as hell for me to even say it. What a pain in the ass. Ceramic Coating Customers Plus solves all these issues and so much more. Again, my name's Dave and I helped create Ceramic Coating Customers Plus exclusively for detailers and ceramic coaters to have a better way of life, a better business. Created something easy to use and help run your business like a well-oiled machine. I've been using the system for my own business as well, and it has completely changed my life. Again, I cannot imagine having to go back to the old way of booking. I now have more time to do extra stuff like working out, running, spend time doing the things with my family that I actually love. It's only possible because our system is actually working. It's like having a virtual marketing team on my side. I have clients booking their own appointments and I collect deposits every single time on autopilot. This creates a nice cash flow. I can anticipate my next month's sales. It also makes sure that my clients are showing up for their appointments. I've even been able to book appointments while I'm on vacation without ever looking at my phone or answering a text. The best part about it is that if you want to be more hands-on, the system is fully customizable, so you can make it so your clients can only make appointments after you approve their appointments or have an in-person consultation. Or if you're like me, you can have your calendar linked to Instagram, Facebook, or your website and take everything that comes your way. I know you're probably thinking that there's no way that a system can work for my complicated process. But I promise you, once you try it, you won't believe that you're ever able to work without it. So let me tell you exactly what it does. It allows your clients to access your calendar where they can easily check your availability, book an appointment, and of course, leave that deposit. It collects all the information needed for their vehicle, reference photos, and so on. And this part can be done before or after they book the appointment. From there, it fully automates the process of confirming, reminding, and following up with your client's appointments so that they don't forget. This part is great because it really helps build credibility with your client. I mean, you'll be perceived as a more professional and accessible person, which is something your clients actually crave. Ceramic Coating Customers Plus also creates a customer profile and database for all your clients. It's searchable and it's backed up by Amazon Cloud servers. It saves all the customers' communications as well. So you can see all the previous communications between you and your client on whether they happened on Instagram, Facebook, text, email. It even records the voice calls. It links your Stripe, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay account so that you can collect the deposits and run those credit cards for payments. It also links your Google business profile to help manage all those reviews, and they're fully automated. This feature alone makes Ceramic Coating Customers Plus worth using. Not to mention the automated scheduling, payment processing, invoice sending, automated reviews, website builder, website hosting, and so many other wonderful tools included with your Ceramic Coating Customers Plus subscription. If you're actually using an assistant or some other super techie booking system, then you're spending way too much money on way less. And Ceramic Coating Customers Plus is supporting a ceramic coating owned company that's built for detailers and ceramic coaters just like you. If you aren't using a system like ours, you're spending way too much time doing your own booking when a very simple, organized system is right here, ready to use today. Let's be honest with ourselves. You're probably not getting back to people as fast as you like. Am I right? Or worse, clients are just slipping through the cracks because your lines of communications are, well, they're all over the place because you're busy, hopefully busy doing a lot of ceramic coatings. And I know for some this may seem like a lot, might be very overwhelming to try something new. I hope you can agree that booking appointments and communication is the core of your business. It's the core of our business too. I know it's a big ask to trust somebody with that, but it's all the more reason to use a system that's going to work for you. Look, we have tons of others already using Ceramic Coating Customers Plus, and the feedback we've been getting, well, they love it, of course. Your clients want better access to your schedule. They want better communication from you. So let's give it to them. Look, I was scared to try something new too, and now I will never go back. It has made that much difference for me and my business. If you're on the fence about this, I'll make it super easy for you. There is a 14-day free trial with no risk, so you can try it out for a couple of weeks and see how wonderful it works. And just to make sure it works for you and your business. And if you decide that you don't like it, no big deal, no worries. There's no questions asked, no risk to you whatsoever. So what are you waiting for? If you collect one deposit, if you book one extra appointment, it'll be totally worth it, I promise. It'll change the way you do business forever. So click the button below, check out a demo video, and you can see all the different aspects of the system in action today. You'll see exactly how Ceramic Coating Customer Plus works, and from there, get signed up with your 14-day free trial. Again, click the button below somewhere around this video, and I'm super excited for you to try out Ceramic Coating Customers Plus. Also, remember I had told you about that special bonus I had for you? Well, it's true. If you sign up today, I'll include my Facebook ads course absolutely free. This is the framework we use for our done-for-you ceramic coating ads. We charge upwards of thousands of dollars a month for. Again, this is only available for a limited time. So thanks again for taking the time to watch my video.